So just hanging out at the car wash, getting the Geo oil change on the Geo, and then a little exterior wash. Yeah, good times. Good times. Good times, guys. We go check on that geocache over there. It's over there. We gotta check on that, make sure everything's cool there. Alright, guys. Geo Metro. That's what I used to do, guys. I used to drive these over, put them on the track, do the prepping, all that stuff. That was a hard job. I did not enjoy it, let me tell you that. I didn't enjoy it, but it's got to be done, and they do a great job here. Pavilions Touches Car Wash, or it's not Touches anymore, sorry. Pavilions Car Wash in Fair Oaks and Howe. Check them out. Good people. Good people. They always know how to do everything. So yeah, check them out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, get those bugs off. Get the roof, get the roof, get the roof. The big part. Get the roof. Oh, stop. Guy is doing like me, like I used to do. Let's just send them. Good times. Good times. She's clean and has an oil change. Yes. Baby Blue is ready for service. Good times. So, go to Pavilions Car Wash on Fair Oaks and Howe. Tell them I sent you. Good stuff. Do it.
No ball! No ball!
Yeah,
no ball!
They're in. Oh well. Let's take the balls out for a while. And you know what the day is today? It's Sunday!
Oh God. Hold on. No, you look like an otter. Doesn't she look like an otter?
She does.
Luna.
Okay, Lucy, come on. Time to get out. Come on, it's time to get out. Come on. Yes, time to get out. Yes, come on. I got a cookie. You want a cookie? Come on, Luce. Come on, Luce. It's time to get out now. Come on. Come on. Time for a cookie. Come on. Go get a cookie. Shake off. Shake off again.
Luna. Zoomies. Zoomies, you go girl. Is that right? Luna, go. Meow. Uh-oh, Grandpa. That's it. What I can do.
She's doing parkour.
Good girl. Good job. Zoomies.
Your body's wagging.
Zoom.
Down.
Zoomies. Zoomies.
Down. Down. Set.
Girl. Oh, she's good. Hey, Joe.
Good. Good.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's
Alright. So it is now time for bed, guys. I think Luna thinks so. Bed? Bed, Luna? Bed, Lisa?
Listen, I have to finish my beer first.
Finish your beer. Drink that beer, drink that beer, drink that beer, drink it out, don't Jim the cop.
I drink it all. I cannot drink it all.
Don't drink the cop. Don't Jim the cop.
I can't drink it all, guys. I gotta savor it.
You gotta savor that.
No.
Milwaukee's best. Woot woot.
No, it's old Milwaukee.
Oh, Milwaukee. On that note, guys, we will leave you with this.